Hello, everyone. Today, I have to address the elephant in the market, and that is the drying up of good turnkey deals. I saw an email today, and I'm on a variety of lists from all different cities. These turnkey providers, and they send me deals and say, "Tom, do you want to buy this? Do you want to buy that?" And I don't necessarily join the list to buy things unless they're really good deals. I join the list to see how returns in deals are compressing. And what I mean is, they often put in the line, duplex, cash flowing, 18% ROI, right? And over time, that number has come down faster and faster and faster. I'm also signed up on commercial real estate deals. I'm set up on wholesalers. I'm set up on syndications. So fundrise.com is one of them. And again, I do it because it's a quick barometer to see how the yields in the market are moving. And what I have seen in the last 6 to 9 months is a massive compression of returns or ROIs. Today, I saw an email come out today that said a turnkey property cash flowing in Detroit at a 12% return on investment. 12%, and that's levered, right, with a loan. So cap rate would be like 3-4%. Now, nothing against Detroit. It's a fun city. It's a good city, but there is no way that the math, that the upside, which isn't in Detroit, that the numbers from a long-term deal analysis make sense when a Detroit deal turnkey is offering a 10 to 12% ROI. It's bananas. And you're seeing in a lot of these attractive markets that were once, kind of a secondary to the big cities, deals don't even cash flow. And in the tertiary markets like Indianapolis and Kansas City, actually, I am seeing some decent deals in Kansas City still in the 12 to 17% range. We still have access to those. But in Indianapolis, where I still have a number of properties, numbers are not looking great. It's becoming very difficult to find turnkey deals that make sense to buy. And I just had a few calls today and yesterday with clients, and they had seconded this notion that it is becoming very hard to find deals in the marketplace. And so what you're going to have to do is look for other ways to invest your money, right? And I've been talking about this for some time, for months now, with the private money lending opportunities and, of course, our land deals. But if you're not willing to do those, you're going to have to search for unique ways. Even storage units, which were, really a hot commodity starting 5 to 7 years ago, have gotten to a point where they're so saturated where even those cap rates mostly don't make sense. I am seeing some opportunities in the warehousing sector. I do think if you can find REITs or some sort of syndication fund that invests in warehouses, so think of like data warehouses, fulfillment storage for places like Amazon or Walmart, those will do very well, I think, over the next decade or so. So those, I think, have upside. These multifamily syndications offering 7 to 10% ROIs with full control over how and when they distribute their funds. Again, it doesn't make sense to invest. And again, and that's why we've been telling clients, private money, make your 15, 16%, land deals, substantial returns. And if off the one chance you get a deal for turnkeys that is around 12, 15%, pick it up, because that won't last long, right? Now, I'll give you a little secret. One way to potentially find good deals in turnkey rentals that might not seem too obvious is to, one, pick a city. Whatever city that is, let's say it's Indianapolis, okay? And get a list of 10 to 15 property managers and tell them what you're looking for. Probably a B-, B+, A- class property, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet, give or take, in a decent area with low crime, decent schools, and get on their list and say, if you have a property that's in this price point, and again, there's a great website, I'll put it on here, rentalmeter.com. It's like $8 a month, but you get full access to all rental comps to understand what the market's giving for rent and understand what it takes to cash flow in the market. And then tell these property managers Here's my list. I want this category. I want this price range, so long as it rents in this amount. And let them know if you have an active property, you will buy it. You're qualified. And go across 10, 15 different property managers. And they have access to 500 to 1,000 or more properties at any time. And there's always investors trying to sell, upgrade through a 1031 exchange or whatever. And so that will be off-market deals that not everyone gets to see through a Zillow or a Redfin. Okay. So you might be able to find some deals that way. But again, today when I saw that note that Detroit Turnkey offering 12%, I was blown away. So, I had to make this video. I had to let you all know that, look, be careful out there. The numbers are not making sense in a lot of markets. The upside is just not big enough to take a risk on. There are better ways to make money. So just be prudent, do your homework. And again, the secret sauce for today, reach out to property managers, get on their list, call them once a month, ask them what they got in the pipeline. And you'd be surprised. They're quick to make a sale like that. And if they have a list, they'll call you. So hopefully that helped. I would love to know more about what you're seeing in the market. So put a comment below. Let us know what you're seeing in your area. And that will help us all make better choices. So thanks, everyone.